Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something very exciting. I'm going to be doing this look using the Kim Kardashian and the Mario palette. So this just came yesterday and I was so excited to put it on. I've not worn makeup in about 4 weeks or something. I had to get this on my eyes. So long story short, Georgia dropped it. Some of the shadows in the bottom fell out. So I actually can't remember if these two are around the wrong way. I can't remember, just in case you're looking and think that's not right. But they are magnetic, so I don't know if there's a little individual pan going to be coming soon, maybe, hopefully. Because you know what it's like, I'm kind of thinking of most people, my base colour always goes first. And then these crease colours, like they will go first. And they're kind of staples in the palette. It's good that you've got a good mix of crease colours, and then you've got pops of colour, colours to darken it, highlight, all that good stuff. So I really do like the colour collection in the palette. So yeah, they're not glued down, they're magnetic, so hopefully they'll bring out some individual pans. Okay, so I'm pretty much just going to wing this just now, so palette. Right, so first of all I'm going to go in with a Urban Decay Smoky Crease brush. I think this is just called Smoky Crease. Just a nice big fluffy crease brush will do, and I'm going to be using the shade Miami, which is this one here. And we're going to pop that right in the crease. I'm not entirely sure the look I'm going to do. I kind of roughly know what colours I want to use, and then, as I say, I'm not exactly entirely sure. I just know that I really want to use the kind of warmer tones in the purple. Right, then I'm going to take this clean brush. This is like a little Smashbox brush. I'll do this. You can see more there. It was like a little double-ended brush I got with a palette, but the fluffy end is actually really good. So I'm just going to, it's clean, there's no product on it. I'm just going to go over and start to blend that out so you can see that gradient start to take place there. Okay. Make sure you get any fallout as you're going, and then I'm going to take a little bit more of that shade. I really have an issue when I'm filming, this always looks different to it does here. Right, and just make sure you're bringing that right round to the side of your eye. I'm going to be popping a darker colour on the bottom. I think I'll do the plum, but for now, that is all. Then I'm going to go into this slightly smaller tapered brush. Again, an Urban Decay one, and this is just the tapered blending. They do have numbers, but it's the tapered blending, and I'm going to be going into the shade Albanian, which is this one here. Nice kind of really warm, kind of reddy brown, orangey brown. And we're taking that more in the kind of outer third of the eye. Again, don't worry about blending too much just now, we're packing colour on first. To be honest, the way I think I'm going to go with this, like, you could probably, this start off could be great, and then you could blend any other colour into the bottom. What I think I might do is start to blend the kind of purple colour. What's it, Miami? No, it's not. Vegas. I think I'll blend that down the bottom and kind of in the corner and give a more kind of plummy feel to it. But you could again do that with the blue. I just feel like everyone's using the blue just now, so it'd be nice to try something different. So I'm going back into that smoky crease brush. I've not put any extra more pigment on it, but I'm just blending that out. Oh, please. So it is up to you, as I normally say, to build up as much colour as you want. You could do this once and that's plenty for you. You could do it 3 or 4 times. It's completely up to you. So I'm kind of blending that down at an angle this way. And bring that around. And really just make sure it's all blended together. I'm going to go back in with that Smashbox brush. Okay. Let's see how that's looking. Ooh, ooh girl, liking it. So next I'm going to go into, this is actually another urban brush. It's the Moon Dust brush. It's designed for obviously the moon dust shades that Urban do, but I don't use it for that. I find it, I mean, it's dense but it's fluffy at the same time. I like it for more like an under smoky smudge. I don't really use it for moon dust shadows. I use my fingers, but that's up to you. So I'm going to go into the colour Vegas now. Try and stay in focus as much as I can. And we're going to take that on. Hello Kim, and then we're going to just connect that up to the top as well, still going in at that kind of angle. Then I'm going to go back to this tapered brush. I don't have any other product on it, but it was that kind of darker browny red colour, and just help blend that out a bit. Oh my god, I just stabbed it. I just stabbed the palette. Oh no. Too excited, we got too excited. And remember, as you're going to get rid of the fallout, as you go back to the smoky crease brush, and this is the bigger fluffier one, and just blend it out the bottom. Sorry, I'm trying to see this from all angles. The viewfinder is quite small. And I'm trying to look at the mirror like behind the camera as well. So really just smudging that on. If this is too much for you, you could use a smaller brush. As I say, that is quite a flat, dense brush, and I tend to use it this way, so I'm getting more from it. You could use it that way, obviously it's a lot thinner. You could use a smaller brush, like a more precise brush. Okay, let's cut crease it, let's do it. Let us do it. Right, I'm going to jump into Eden Primer Potion. And we're going to cut this crease. And just start to carve out your crease. So a little trick you can do is you pop something in your bottom lash and look up. It will print up here for you, so you'll know where to put your crease. So a lot of people struggle with where to put their crease. When I started learning to do these, the thing that freaked me out was, where do you know where to put it? How high do you put it? How low do you put it? A lot of people like it low enough that you can't see it till you close your eyes. A lot of people like to make it still visible when they open their eyes, so it's completely up to you. So I'm just pressing round about where I want this. And we'll go back round, because I'm feeling it. And then take your finger. I need to use this one, but excuse my bald finger when my nails snapped off. Right, so, and then we're going to go back in and repeat the step of the plummy colour. And just kind of revive that again. What I'm going to do is maybe start, I'm going to just finish this eye first. So again, taking it in that nice kind of slanted direction. Okay, we're working our way back. And then into, no, that is Armenian. Albanian is the first one, Armenian is the second one. Sorry, Kim. Mario. So it's all about adding your intensity, buffing it down. Oh, maybe not trying to lean my head this way so you can see what I'm doing. So it's all about you getting the desired colour. So see how that's like, you've still got that smoky going on. I'm just going to finish off this eye and then I'll finish the other one off camera. Oh goodness. So we're taking Glam. Yeah. We're taking Glam. Ooh. Oh yes. Oh wow. That is pretty. Do you know what? I'm not going to go completely up to the crease. I'm going to glam it down here. And then I'm going to be extra, going with another brush. This is actually a lip brush from Urban Decay, but you'll see the nice, oh hello, curve on that there. Ideal for cut creases, by the way. I'm going to dip into 2000. Oh wow. Just lightly patting over that glam colour just to get it to fade nice on each other. This actually gives that a really nice highlight. It almost looks like glitter. It almost looks like I've put a glitter over it. Glitter. Scottish sounds so nice when they say glitter. A glitter. Oh, I like that. Oh, this is just like a nice alternative to a black, so it blends really well here. Down to the bottom. I'm just going to quickly line the lid. I think I'm going to keep it rounded today. I don't think I'll go for the wing. Am I in? I'm in. Okay, and when you get to the outer corner, I'm going to go back in. We're going back to Vegas, you think I know the name of that by now. And we're just going to smoosh it out. So I'm kind of just repeating my steps. I'm going back on myself, I'm adding the purple, I'm rounding it out. A little bit of this, a little bit of like, how much better does eyeliner look on your eyes? Like, let's just take a minute. If you want, this step's completely optional. You can go in with a little angled brush, or I'm actually going in with a liner brush because it's really, really thin. Go back into this colour, which was Albanian Saz. And pop that to deepen the crease. And what this will do is the contrast between this and that 2008 colour will complement each other and make each other pop, like so. You get me? Okay? And again, over blender here, just really lightly. Try not to touch the crease part. Go in, you could even take a clean brush if you want, a smaller brush, and just take a little bit of that first colour and soften that edge. I feel like that kind of comes out and stops here, and there's like a bit here that's not happening, so I'm just going to take my foundation brush and kind of go around that to correct. Now, trying to look from far away near, that's better. Okay, so that is the eye. Okay, so that's the eye. I'm going to go off camera and finish this eye, cut the crease, do that. I'll put lashes on and I'll be back. I'm liking that. So no black used at all except for my liner. Very unlike me, but hey ho, we're in it. But yeah, I just wanted to do something a little bit different. Obviously everyone that's put pictures of the palette up has used that amazing blue. I mean, it is a gorgeous colour, but I wear blue all the time, so as I wanted to try something a bit different, and when I seen the purple colour, I was like, yes, because it will make the green in my eyes pop a little bit more. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks so much. Bye.